is the area weather outlook issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Fair weather for the most part is expected from tonight into midweek. Skies will be mostly clear to partly cloudy. There are chances for a pop-up shower or storm on Monday afternoon up towards Clare and Mount Pleasant. Small chances for an isolated shower also exist Tuesday afternoon. Overall, though, dry weather is expected for most places through Wednesday. Expect low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s and highs of 80 to 85. Conditions around the area at 10 p.m. At Kalamazoo, it was clear. The temperature was 68 degrees, the dew point 53, and the relative humidity 58%. The wind was northwest at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.09 inches and rising. Across the remainder of southwest lower Michigan, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 63 and 68 degrees. In southeast lower Michigan, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 63 and 70 degrees. Across northern lower Michigan, skies ranged from clear to partly cloudy, and temperatures were between 65 and 67 degrees. In the Upper Peninsula, Sault Ste. Marie was 61 degrees under clear skies, and in Marquette, it was clear with a temperature of 63. In neighboring states, Milwaukee was 71 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Chicago was 72 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Fort Wayne was 71 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Once again, at 10 p.m., Kalamazoo was 68 degrees under clear skies. On Lake Michigan, at the Muskegon Lighthouse, winds were north at 5 knots and the temperature was 68 degrees. At the South Haven Lighthouse, winds were north at 4 knots and the temperature was 71 degrees. At the Northern Lake Michigan buoy, winds were west at 8 knots. Lake water temperature 69 degrees. Air temperature 70 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. At the Southern Lake Michigan buoy, winds were west at 4 knots. Lake water temperature 72 degrees. Air temperature 70 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. Now here is your local forecast. Rest of tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Light winds. Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Light winds becoming west 5 to 10 miles per hour in the afternoon. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast winds around 10 miles per hour becoming north in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds becoming southeast around 5 miles per hour overnight. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s. Thursday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the mid-80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs around 80. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: South Haven to Holland, Michigan. Rest of tonight, north winds 5 to 15 knots varying east around 5 knots toward daybreak. Clear. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Monday, south winds 5 to 10 knots varying west 10 to 15 knots. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming around 5 knots late at night, then varying east toward daybreak. mostly clear. Waves 1 foot or less. Tuesday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots veering west, then veering northwest late in the day. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Tuesday night, northeast winds 5 to 15 knots veering southeast after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves 1 foot or less. Wednesday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Thursday, southwest winds around 15 knots veering west late in the day. Mostly sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Friday, northeast winds around 15 knots backing north. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following: St. Joseph to South Haven, Michigan. Rest of tonight, north winds 5 to 15 knots veering east toward daybreak. Clear. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Monday, south winds 5 to 10 knots veering west. Sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Monday night, north winds around 5 knots veering southeast after midnight. Mostly clear. Waves less than 1 foot. Tuesday, southeast winds around 5 knots veering west, then veering north late in the day. Sunny. Waves less than 1 foot. Tuesday night, northeast winds 5 to 15 knots veering southeast after midnight. Partly cloudy. Waves less than 1 foot. Wednesday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves around 1 foot. Thursday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots veering west late in the day. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 foot or less. Friday, northeast winds around 15 knots backing north. Partly sunny. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WWF34 in Plainwell, transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The current time is 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.